country we already know, it will image the work of the potential sponsors. So this is the important to have it in statutes that executive committee is able to decide about exclusive partners for WMF World Cup. It's not endangering, or we are not undertaking you if you have some contract in your national level or local level. This we don't care. We are caring only about all things that are connected with the WMF events. It means WMF World Cup or even in the future WMF Champions League. So this is for me, I see as a crucial point. If we would like to outsource this part to some marketing agency, to tell them we have no problem with any partner, you can negotiate with a betting company, you can negotiate with automotive, you can negotiate with brewery or sport equipment. And definitely there could be an interesting contribution if, for example, we will talk that the rights of the broadcasting we can give to betting company. Under this, they are able to bring some new clients because people will register there to see matches, and in the same time, you can we will be able to generate some income. But definitely, this is important to have this in our statutes, because in this case, we are able to very efficiently and very progressively communicate with some marketing agency that we would like to find for the event. And even I don't think that somebody from executive committee has firstly time and so high